Are you looking to make some extra cash without much effort? Well, I have a secret for you. Bing, the popular search engine, offers a way for you to earn free money. Interested? Let me tell you how. First, sign up for a Bing Rewards account. It's completely free and takes only a few minutes. Once you're signed up, start using Bing as your default search engine. Every time you search, you'll earn points. You can also earn bonus points for daily quizzes and other activities. As you accumulate points, you can redeem them for a variety of rewards, including cash. And here's the best part. Bing offers a referral program. Simply share your unique referral link with friends and family. When they sign up and start using Bing, you'll earn even more points. So, not only can you earn money, but you can also help others do the same. It's a win-win. Here are a few tips to maximize your earnings. Use Bing for all your searches, even the simplest ones. Take advantage of any bonus point opportunities that come your way. Set Bing as your default search engine on all your devices for seamless earning. Lastly, stay consistent. The more you use Bing, the more points you'll earn, and the closer you'll get to that cash payout. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but it's a simple and legitimate way to earn some extra money just by searching the web. Hey there! So, why not give it a try? Sign up for Bing Rewards today and start cashing in on those points. Go ahead, get your free money. Subscribe now for more ways to make money online. Also leave a comment to get a chance to win free money every month.